Here's a super easy technique to make a cinematic letterbox within Premiere Pro. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to keep this as simple and concise as I can. First thing you wanna do, obviously, drag your clip onto your timeline. I just have a clip that I shot in Colorado. It's shot in S-Log, so it is not the prettiest looking thing right now. But what you're gonna do after this is you're gonna come over here, go to New Item, go to Color Matte. And most important thing of this whole thing really is just to make sure that your color matte settings matches your sequence settings. If you're not sure what your sequence settings are, they should just match, you know, whatever, when you bring your clip onto your timeline, it should match. But if you're not sure, make sure your timeline's selected, go up, come up here to sequence settings, and then boom, you can get your frame rate and you can get your sizes right there. So anyways, go over to New Item, Color Matte, make sure everything lines up, 60 frames a second, 3840 by 2160. Okay, make sure it's all the way black. We just want 0, we just want the color black. Hit okay on that, and then you can leave this as Color Matte. You can name it Letterbox if you want, but I'll show you why you might not want to do that in the future. So for now, just leave it as Color Matte. And then from here, drag that onto your timeline. Drag it out. Once you've dragged this out over your timeline, over your sequence, go ahead and copy and paste a new one above that. So you should have 2 on top of each other. Premiere actually added the crop function, the crop effect within each media. So it's kind of handy because you don't actually have to go to effects and drag it on there. So it's super useful, and that's what we're going to be using to get this effect to work. So on your top one, on your top layer, go ahead and come to crop top and put that at 90%. Select your bottom one, come to crop bottom, put that at 90% as well, and boom, just like that, you're done with this effect. Now from here, you can be done, or you can do one last step. You can select them, go ahead and nest, and then this is the reason why I said you can just leave that as Color Matte. From here, I would name this a Letterbox, and then there you go. That way you don't have, you know, a letterbox and a letterbox. You know, it could be kind of confusing on which one is which. If you need to get in here and extend your clips, you can do that. You can drag this out to however long you need, and then from there, then you can extend the nested sequence. Otherwise, I would just get your sequence put together and then drag this over, and then you don't have to worry about doing that. But yeah, super easy, guys. This is extremely easy to work with, and from here you can frame up your whole shot based on what kind of cinematic look that you're going for. There you go, guys. Super easy. I hope this helps you get that cinematic look that you're going for within your films. Feel free to subscribe and check out my toolbox playlist on my channel if you're looking for more Premiere Pro quick and easy tips. That's enough watching this video, guys. Get out there, use this tip, create something yourself. I'll see you all in the next video.